Hey there, travel enthusiast. I'm Amber, and I've got something fantastic to share with you today. If you're a travel agent working with Gateway Travel, then you know how important it is to have the right tools to make planning trips a breeze. Today's video is all about building your very own travel agent resource library. Now, listen, I know you're like, what are you even talking about? Trust me, this will be a game changer for you and your clients. It's going to save you time, which, hello, is like priceless, and it's going to make your clients happier than ever. Okay, just wait for it. First off, let's talk about why having a resource library is so important. As travel agents, you are juggling a lot of information: destinations, hotel options, activities, and well, the list goes on and on, right? A well-organized resource library can make that much easier. It's going to help you be able to access information quickly, impress your clients, and ultimately provide them with an amazing travel experience. Now, let's dive into choosing the right resources for your library. You're going to want a mix of digital guides, print materials, and video, okay? That is going to cover all the types of learners and information absorbers that are out there. Make sure you're picking resources that are both credible and current. So we've got to have up-to-date info, or our resource library it's not going to be very beneficial. Check out official tourism boards, reputable travel blogs, and industry newsletters, okay? Having diverse resources means you can cater to all sorts of clients. Whether they prefer flipping through a guidebook or watching a quick video, you're going to be the place for them to go. Next up, organizing your library. I love organization, so I'm rather a fan of this category, okay? Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. No, thank you. That's what it's like when your materials aren't categorized properly. Set up your library by categories like destination, travel tips, and client forms. If it's a physical library, you can use like those hanging file folders or something like that to organize them and label them. For a digital system, create well-named folders and use tags. This is a really great way to search for those digital files. When you're organized like this, when a client calls, you can instantly pull up what you need. It's going to make you look like a professional, and honestly, it's going to keep that call running smoothly. Here's another tip: create custom content. Personalized resources like tailored itineraries and unique travel guides, they can make a world of difference. Use tools that help you design eye-catching visuals and documents. To create these, always ask your clients about their preferences and interests. This particular customization not only makes their trip special, but also sets you apart from other travel agents. Now, let's not forget about technology. There are some great apps and platforms that can help you manage your library. Things like project management tools to help keep everything organized, or cloud storage for easy access on the go. It can be a lifesaver. Also consider recording video tutorials or hosting webinars to educate your clients about different travel topics. It adds a personal touch and shows your expertise, and these can all be housed in your library. Keeping your library updated is crucial. Information in the travel industry changes fast. I know you guys know that, but just a friendly reminder: make it a habit to review and refresh your library regularly. Have it be set up as a task on your calendar or your to-do list. So you could set a monthly reminder to remove outdated material and add new material in. Keep an eye on newsletters, news alerts, and other trusted sources so you can stay well informed on behalf of your clients. It's also a good idea to note down any significant changes you come across during your client interactions. Finally, let's talk about promoting your resource library to clients. Introduce your resource library during your first interaction with a new client. It shows them you've got everything they need for their upcoming trip. Use social media teasers to give a sneak peek into your library. Send out newsletters highlighting new additions to your library. Clients are going to appreciate the effort and trust the information you provide, knowing it's going to enhance their travel experience. So, to wrap things up, remember, having a travel agent resource library is a must for being efficient and providing top-notch service to your clients. Start small, organize well, keep it updated, and don't forget to promote it. Share it with your clients. Let them know the resources you offer. I hope this has inspired you to create your own resource library. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy travels. For more helpful content, make sure to check out our other videos. See you next time.